I'm going to show you too. Let's go right into it.
Okay.
I'm going to do a couple more things. Okay, let's do a leather purse or leather, let's say a belt.
Yes.
Okay, stitches came off. Same idea. Okay, all I'm going to do is take it, put a little bit of Instafix, just a little bit, and then I'm going to squeeze it together. Now what I'm doing is I'm kneading it, starving it of oxygen.
And it doesn't dry until
I'm ready to use it, correct.
Okay. It's fixed, you just fixed it.
We can do shoes, we can do purses, we can do boots. But I'm gonna come back to this in a second. I'm gonna show you something really fun. Now we get the filler with this.
Yes.
Okay, this is the Instafix filler.
Yeah.
Okay, what the filler will do, okay, let's try this. This is a boot, okay? And you know what, it's a cute
boot.
You're not gonna find this boot again, I'll tell you. So this is what you wanna do. Even if it's not expensive, I try to tell people, don't throw it away, because you can fix it. So now, same idea, but I'm gonna show you how the filler works. We're gonna put a little bit of adhesive in there. Okay, this is a big hole too, but okay, well that's nice. It's together, but there's still a big piece missing.
Sure.
And you know, water's gonna get in there.
Right.
So now, 100% waterproof. Watch this. Put the little bit of the filler in.
Oh, this is cool.
Now, I want you to just drip that. Don't touch it in, just drip it right on that boot. And just soak the powder. Just pour it over top and just give it a little squeeze, just so you're soaking it. See that?
Yeah.
Done. Now, I want you to put your nail in there. Feel how hard that is.
Yeah, that's rock solid.
Now,
that's rock solid.
We're gonna show you that on metal too. Now, it's paintable and stainable. So all I'm doing is just a little marker because it's black, you know, just had it.
It's as good as new.
It will not leak.